Hey, what's up guys, hope that all of you are doing well. So there's a new update available for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra that you guys might be missing out. So today in this video, we will check out that update. So to check the update, simply go into the settings, then you have to tap on about phone, and from here tap on software information. Now from here tap on Google Play System Update. So there's a new Google Play System update available for your device and that might be already downloaded. You will have to restart now to simply install it, or you might have to download it. So if you have to download it, a pop-up like this will appear to download and install. Once downloaded, simply tap on restart now. And once you will tap on restart now, your device will automatically restart and the update will install on your device. This can take time as well, so make sure to install it when your device is completely free. And once installed, you will get to see that your device is on the latest version of April 1st, 2025. It is sad to see that there is no May version available yet. But from the software update, you will see that there's a new May security patch update available that you guys might be missing out, so you can check out that update as well. This is a 482 MBs of update size with a security patch level of May 1st, 2025. Also, do let me know in the comment section that are you facing any heat-up issues after this May security patch update, as I was facing a heat-up issue after this May update. So do let me know in the comment section that are you facing any issue or not, and if you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.